welcome back to my channel. You know, it's a girl Triple T here, and we're out and about. Today we are at the Ammonasset State Beach Park in Connecticut. I don't know how the water is, but we'll see you when we get there. Stay tuned, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Alright guys, today we're at the beach. Looking crazy. So we were lost. Like, nobody told me that Ammonasset State Beach Park in Connecticut has like 5 different beaches or 4 different beaches. So I'm looking for Ammonasset State Beach Park. I come in, I see West Beach and some other beaches. Like, we end up going back outside and come back in, asking the guy like, oh, we're looking for Ammonasset State Beach. The guy's like, the entire area is, but we just have different beaches here. So we're driving around for nothing. But guys, like, oh no, I don't see no beach. Do you all see a beach? Guys, like, look how much people are on the beach.
Oh, I see people on the goddamn.
It may be cold. Oh my god. It may be closer to the water, because we don't want to leave our stuff too far if we're... I don't think nobody comes to the beach like to go in the water. They come to the beach just to chill on the sand and enjoy.
And the one I went to, the waves were so bad, I keep running off.
I think right here should be fine. Now we're gonna check out the water. I guess you can go first.
You see me run?
They said no. No. Alright, let me see. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm gonna I'm gonna test the water out.
What are you doing?
Is it cold? It's cold. Yeah, I don't think June is for the pool. My entire body won't go into this. Nope. Nope. Just the legs. Yeah, just the legs. Yep. I think that is enough for today.
A few moments later.
Blooper slides. Charging. After we're ready for bust some song, you know, the people them. After ready to sing out loud this thing. Anyways, guys, the beach was a mess.
It's not the speaker, it's the phone.
Yes, guys, the beach was a mess. The water did dirty. There was like band-aids wiped in the water. There was like there was like so many things in the water. So only my foot went in. So I don't recommend Connecticut beaches to anybody. No.
Coochie wipes everywhere.
Like, I don't know where all of those stuff come from in the water. It was just disgusting.
You were disgusting.
So yeah, this beach day was a flop. I'm sorry, Angela, but
it did not turn out as planned, huh?
Guys, we went out to celebrate our birthday, but it did not turn out as planned.
We made the most of it, though.
Yeah, we did.
We did the best.
We did a lot of TikTok.
Out of the bad situation. I struggled to do a lot of TikTok.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy.
We did some TikToks.
You tried.
I failed miserably.
No worry, I'm gonna practice.
Come
And
back revamped.
yeah, so guys, I'm gonna practice some TikTok dance.
Download
I'm
the
gonna
app
come
next
back.
time, you know?
Huh?
Download the app.
Next time, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna shell it. But that's the policy one them over there try. Who knows? One of the one them may try make go viral. Who knows? But yeah, guys, that's the end of this trip that flopped. Like, I don't know why y'all didn't just let Rhode Island.
The water was cold and it was.
But then, I mean, it's not just Ammanasset. But when I called, I heard Ammanasset was a good beach, so I decided why not try it. They lied.
Oh, the one
They lied.
I think it's Narragansett Beach in Rhode Island. That one was good.
Alright, so that's the next beach we're gonna try.
But it's a whole 2-hour drive.
Leave out early. Not 11 o'clock this time, like 8 o'clock.
I know, right?
Or like
Let's get there
5
first.
o'clock. Yeah.
Sometime in August.
When the water is
When
warm.
the water is warm.
Yeah, guys, the water did cold. But we made it back home in peace and sound and safely. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.